What's in here?
Great Gumbo Festival. Why?
Yeah. Looks nothing like Hermione.
That's not Emma. This looks new.
What's in here? It's apparently it's a gummy with a sticker on the inside. Okay, remove that sticker.
Oh my god, it's so sticky.
It's so stuck. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna see what's the sticker that comes along with this.
Look.
Hopefully it's a Rathalos. Oh. And let's check out the sticker first. Cha-chan! Oh, Arkveld! Let's freaking go. It's a flagship.
Nice. Oh, and the jelly is shaped like the icons.
Yes. I think this one is a berry.
Yeah.
And that one is a potion. Nice.
No berry and... Is this a potion? Isn't it like Max part or something?
Eto. Yeah, I think it's a potion.
Yes!
Okay, so this one is a piece of tab that you can pull here, and you can open it like this. Why is this one bubbly? Oh my goodness, it smells like
Apple.
no, not apple. It smells like Red Bull.
Ah, yes. Like energy drink.
Yeah. So weird.
There's a bubble.
Yeah, there's a bubble in that.
They didn't do a good job popping the bubbles.
But yeah. Pretty cool.
Yeah, energy drink.
Energy drink.
Yeah, it says on the things that it's energy drink.
Pretty cool.
This is not potion, this is max pop.
Or maybe it's
Potion looks like this.
yes. Max Pot. Interesting.
Mocha.
So we got the second one. Oh well, this is the first one, and then Bulin opened the second one. And the second one we got the Rathalos. Well, not necessarily the Rathalos. This is the Guardian Rathalos, because like you can see like the wings has a different color. But Bulin got the different gummy as well too. I think this one is I think this one is the spider web, and then this one is the
What's the other one?
trap tool, maybe.
Trap tool?
Hmm.
Ah, so like this.
So the trap tool and the net. So it makes a pitfall trap. Ta-da! So cool.
Nice.
So cool. I do wish they have a lot more there, but these were the last two that we got. They have the trap tool gummy. You want the other one, love? Yeah, it tastes exactly the same. I don't know what I was expecting.
That's 16 kind of seals of stickers.
You got the rare ones, huh?
Yeah, actually.
Lucky.
Great Gumbo Festival.
have two kinds. One is Hong Kong style preserved sausage and pork rice dumpling. The other one is Cantonese rice dumpling with egg yolk and pork, respectively.
Moment of truth. How long has this been cooking?
30 minutes steam.
30 minutes?
Yo.
Didn't feel like 30 minutes.
So this one is the Canton style one.
Uh-huh. Do you want me to handle it? So is this normal?
Huh?
Do you let it cool or?
Wow, it's been so long since the last time I ate one of these.
I don't think I've ever eaten one of these.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They sell the more sticky rice version of it in Yamcha.
Yeah.
Like when you go for the Hong Kong style restaurants.
Mm-hmm.
But this is specifically for Dragon Ball Festival.
And let me just turn off the exhaust. There we go. Ah, my ears.
Peace and quiet. Oh my goodness. Oh shit.
It's okay.
Leaves.
Here, give me. Just throw it on the sink. Okay, gambate. Which one is this?
This one is the one with the
egg?
sausage. That one is with the egg.
Oh. Okay. Oh, right. I need to reheat one of the dishes. Looks good though.
Nice. That one has meat and egg yolk. This one is the sausage. Oh, nice.
Looks great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Sukiyaki.
久しぶりですね。
そう。Gummy hour. My banana and sweet potato is in the same shape. Good afternoon. We're here for brunch again. After all the dawdling, we're finally heading out. Let's go. On a sunny day, always put this thing on. It's reflective. Because it's so, it will help with the temperature. Thank you.
Okay, go get your stuff.
Grande Cheese Market. We thought it was left side. Looks like a melon, but it's cheese. Provolone stick.
Provolone. Did you like provolone?
Yeah.
They all stop the same.
Cannolis. Oh, the H-Mart rabbit.
Castle also got a jasmine iced Americano.
I have one piece.
Is it tea or is it like
Coffee.
why is it jasmine?
I don't know.
It's jasmine.
Yeah.
Why?
Sunday. This is rose.
No.
Then normal Americano. This one has
Lemon.
salt and lemon.
Hey, we're gonna go pick up some the stuff. Oh, we don't need bananas, so we still have bananas at home. And they're the yellow ones here. We also need to stock up on these okonomiyaki because I think we cook okonomiyaki at least once a month. And then yeah, we're out of flour so soon. So let's go pick up some flour, which is just around. Let's follow Bulin. Here. Around. Okay. Nani ko rin? Oh, they have this now.
Yeah, but where's the one that we usually?
The one that we get is around. Should be here, like that. That pair, right? So.
Oh, so much cheaper.
But it's a smaller one. Where's the big one? Nike mo.
Sunny day.
$7.99.
Cheaper?
Let me check.
Nope. It's cheaper here.
$5.
Có thế không chị mới với
Diamond layer, really?
Really?
Yeah. Why?
Yeah, why?
Sparkling amasake will be so weird. If you want to make your own dumpling,
The rice one.
the rice dumpling that we ate.
Okay, we're heading to Hillcrest Mall to get some manya. Some food. Something to eat and coffee. We haven't had coffee today yet.
Ket With every Vlune. There's some random mugs here. Inside out. Mixed emotions. What's open?
How good it works is a question.
How do you adjust that? There's only two ways.
Up and down, left and right, then turn.
Tea, farewell cup, everything.
Cashier number 4, please.
I don't think Canadians are really big on football now.
There are people that is pretty into it.
like a water tank, and you can pump it to increase the pressure. And then the goal line is a button. So if it hits it, there's a small spot over here that shoots water.
He's talking about a table that he used to have. What happened to it?
I don't know where it went actually.
Probably got sent back to the Philippines.
No doubt. How about this? Looks nothing like Hermione.
That's not Emma.
It's Elmo.
It's cheap. That's proper, mate.
That's pretty cool.
We have decided to go to Timmy's and get a wrap.
I'm starving.
Let's go.
Only had one bread.
Yes, food. Paris biscuit.
Oh, this changed.
Allah, it turned into a claw machine. We don't have hot chocolate.
Sorry, love.
We're gonna head to the other bakery shop and see if they have.
Yes.
Let's go. Got the bread. 6 bread, tax free. So we got 6. We're settled with breakfast also tomorrow. Indigo. Somebody from the book of her shirt. I'm reading this weird manga here. Wow, I didn't know there's like 5 books for Twilight now. This looks new. More Lego. Does it work?
I'm not sure. It's covered.
Damn it.
Oh.
Somebody took off the tag.
So it's covered. I guess it's to prevent scalping as well.
Wow. Even with the reflector, it's still kind of hot in here.
Oh shit!
Just hot.
It's so fucking toasty in here.
Got home. Gonna play some CCC. He is playing guitar outside.
There's bound to be chest out there.
Eating at a weird time again. I'm just gonna heat this up and eat whatever is in there. Sukiyaki.
Portioning out the stuff.
Yep. For now.
Great job, love.
It's time to sleep.
Yes, I'm gonna be having my first.
He's gonna have his first driving lessons tomorrow.
Can you guys believe it? I don't either. So nervous, honestly. Like, well, I've driven our car before a few times, but like not really been out like with actual traffic.
I think the instructor will know like what to do. I did tell him that like he never driven before, so like hopefully he will adjust accordingly. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It's kinda here and there. There's like clips of like different things. So yeah.
Catch you guys next time.
Bye bye.
Peace.
Johnny.